Welcome back to Auto Nova, your ultimate hub for everything on cars that thrill, perform, and redefine automotive design. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the hottest car reviews, concept breakdowns, and future releases. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the modern rebirth of a legend, the 2026 Honda S2000. After years of rumors and anticipation, Honda is finally bringing back the S2000, and it's shaping up to be everything enthusiasts hoped for: a lightweight, high-revving, rear-wheel drive sports car with a modern twist. The original S2000 was a driver's dream, compact, agile, and raw. The 2026 version aims to stay true to its roots while bringing in the kind of tech and refinement you'd expect from a next-generation machine. Let's start with performance. Honda is reportedly developing a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, likely inspired by the one in the Civic Type R, but tuned specifically for the S2000. We're expecting around 320 horsepower, which in a car as light and nimble as this, is more than enough to create an exhilarating experience. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this car is all about driver engagement. It's also expected to have a limited slip differential and a finely tuned suspension for sharp, responsive handling. Honda knows what made the original S2000 special, and they're bringing that DNA back with precision. In terms of design, the 2026 S2000 is stunning. Sleek and sculpted, it blends the classic proportions of the original with a more aggressive stance and modern flair. The long hood, short rear deck, and low ride height are all present, but now with LED lighting, bold grille details, and aerodynamic elements that enhance both looks and performance. The new model will almost certainly feature a lightweight chassis, possibly using aluminum and carbon fiber to keep the curb weight down and the agility up. Step inside, and you'll find a modern yet minimalist interior. Digital gauges, a clean dashboard layout, and a driver-focused cockpit all speak to the car's purpose. Expect supportive sports seats, premium materials, and a digital infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But unlike many new cars, the S2000 won't overwhelm you with tech. It's about the drive, and that's exactly what you'll get. Honda is also equipping the new S2000 with essential safety and driver assistance features, though they'll likely be kept to a minimum to maintain that purest sports car experience. Forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control may be available, but they won't get in the way of your connection with the car. What truly sets the 2026 S2000 apart in today's market is its dedication to pure driving pleasure. In a world full of heavy, overly assisted vehicles, Honda is giving us a back-to-basics machine with modern reliability and performance. It's rare, refreshing, and very much needed. The car is expected to weigh around 2,800 pounds, putting it in the same class as the Mazda MX-5 and Toyota GR86, but with more power and a sharper edge. Pricing is projected to start around $50,000, positioning it as an attainable dream car for many enthusiasts. It won't be the cheapest roadster out there, but for what it offers, performance, legacy, and excitement, the value is undeniable. Honda is also expected to offer a few trims, possibly including a more hardcore Type S version with track-ready features. In summary, the 2026 Honda S2000 isn't just a return of a nameplate. It's a return to form for Honda's performance legacy. A true driver's car, engineered with passion and precision, made to carve roads and steal hearts. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering the S2000 legacy, this car is bound to make an impact. Thanks for joining us today on Auto Nova. If you're as hyped as we are about the rebirth of the Honda S2000, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below letting us know what you think. More exciting car reveals, reviews, and updates are coming your way, so don't miss a thing. See you in the next video.